dude. And they're like driving, they're getting up to like 300 miles an hour.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So our 4-hour car ride has turned into, what time is it? 4 o'clock now? We left at 10.
How long was that?
I don't know.
11,
10.
12, 1, 2, like 6 hours?
It's been 6 hours. And we still have yet to actually go see some seals. And now we're at a grocery store for some reason and laying on the concrete because I'm tired and we don't have anything else to do.
It's never felt so good to be on ground.
One eternity later.
We are at the Kayaking Marine Reserve. So basically this whole area is like the country, which is great.
So cool, look at it.
This is so pretty. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Whew, it's cold. I am on top of Big Rock Boy. Hello! This is so cool. Pancake rock.
Pancake rock.
That's crazy.
Get that on
I
camera.
did.
Oh my god!
First little island made it up here. Alyssa, you want to say hi? Alyssa's beached. We're just waiting for the rest of the group. Oh, it's all good. Water in the boat. Water in the boat. Oh, it's so chill now. Oh, it's a fat pigeon.
So today we are semi-whitewater kayaking.
Kayak. Oh no, man, I caught that right on video. Woo. Just kayaking in the water, going back downstream, and the views are just phenomenal. Don't like that at all. I'm very much afraid of heights. Ugh. Oh my god, that is so... That's wild. Good. It's been crazy. I love it. I love them so much. They don't sound real. They're literally characters. Oh.